Aggranda. We create time in companies to grow.
Chloride is a global leader in designing, manufacturing, and servicing industrial UPS systems. Its leadership team is deeply committed to creating a work environment where employees are happy and focused. That's why they started an intense automation program together with Aggranda and UiPath. With over 25 complex processes automated so far, Chloride is saving over 700 hours of repetitive work every single month. The UiPath Software Robots perform thousands of tasks daily, working directly with custom activities developed in C#, APIs, and SQL stored procedures. The tasks are now consistently being done on time and with zero errors. Some operations run multiple times a day, including at night and over the weekend. By bringing these UiPath robots on board, Chloride leadership has demonstrated its commitment to a workplace with happy employees, engaging in meaningful work and not the copy and paste drudgery. To successfully launch and run the 25 automations, the Chloride and Aggranda teams spent countless hours planning, designing, testing, and tweaking the process. Here are some aspects that we think helped make the project successful. We used the correct licensing structure from the beginning, consisting of UiPath unattended robots with access to Orchestrator and separate RPA developer licenses. We use separate virtual machines for development, staging, and production. In Orchestrator, we defined separate folders for the staging and production environments. We have permanently used continuous development and continuous integration. We had dev, test, and production databases available. Also, for the Oracle EBS application, we had access to development and test and production environments. The automations were not limited only to RPA, but extended to the library's development in C# for activities for calling SharePoint APIs. The automations were extended through the development of databases using MS SQL Server. We developed UiPath apps for the on-demand triggering of some processes from Orchestrator.
They say nobody can buy time. We challenge them. Aggranda. Time to grow.